Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by Jamaican 9 million or US $56.8 thousand. Discover a remarkable architectural masterpiece for sale. It is located at 16 Battersea Road, nestled in the coolest parish in Jamaica, Manchester. This spacious and meticulously designed family home is every returning resident's dream, boasting an exceptional layout with great airflow. This property offers an ideal blend of comfort and style. Every detail has been thoughtfully considered, from its generous living and entertaining spaces to ample storage. Enjoy the luxury of a private pool, a dedicated generator room, and a separate storeroom, ensuring convenience and peace of mind. This stunning home is perfect for those seeking a tranquil lifestyle with all the modern amenities. Don't miss the chance to own this remarkable property in one of Jamaica's most desirable locations. Contact via WhatsApp only. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price is Jamaican 89 million or US $562.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.